Hello, this is your Lakshman Reddy sir. Here we'll go with some important definitions, constants, names of first year chemistry all together in a very short class. Pauli's exclusion principle. No two electrons in the same atom can have the same values for all the four quantum numbers. No two electrons in the same atom can have the same values for all the four quantum numbers. Or you can say an orbital can accumulate a maximum of two electrons with opposite spins. Aufbau's principle. The electrons in an atom are filled in various available orbitals in the order of increasing energy. According to Aufbau's principle, electrons enter into the orbitals in the increasing order of energy. Hund's rule. Whenever degenerate orbitals are available for filling, pairing of electrons takes place only when the degenerate orbitals are half filled. Modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their electronic configuration. They are going to depend on atomic number as well as electronic configuration. Ionization energy. The minimum energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom is called ionization energy. The minimum energy required to remove an electron from a neutral isolated gaseous atom. Electron affinity. The energy released when an electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom. Electronegativity. The tendency of an atom to attract the shared electron pair towards itself in diatomic molecule or covalent bond is called electronegativity. The tendency of an atom to attract the shared electron pair towards itself in a diatomic molecule or covalent bond is called electronegativity. Inert pair effect. The reluctance of the electron pair present in the outer shell to unpair and get involved in bonding is called inert pair effect. The reluctance of the electron pair present in the outer shell to get involved in the bonding. That is, you can notice in case of thallium +1 oxidation state, lead +2 state, bismuth +3 states are more stable. Screening effect. As the number of electrons in the inner orbits increases, the nuclear attraction on the outermost electrons decreases. This is called a screening effect. The screening effect of s orbitals is going to be greater because of its shape, and the f orbital screening is worst. Dipole moment. The product of the charge in electrostatic units are on any one of the poles in a dipole, and the distance in centimeters separating the poles is defined as dipole moment. Mu is equals to dou into L. Dou is charge, L is length. So charge into length is dipole moment. The units are d by units, 1 in 10 to the power of -18, ESU centimeter, electrostatic units, and centimeter is for the distance. Boyle's law. At constant temperature, the volume of given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Chau's law. At constant pressure, the volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. V is directly proportional to T. V by T is equal to constant, or V1 by T1 is equals to V2 by T2. Chau's law. Boyle's law. P is proportional to 1 by V, or PV is equal to constant, or P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. That's for Boyle's law. Avogadro's law. Under the same conditions of pressure and temperature, equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of molecules. Under the same conditions of pressure and temperature, equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of molecules. That's Avogadro's law. Universal gas constant R. The value of gas constant R is same for all gases, hence it is called universal gas constant. Gram molar volume. At STP conditions, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume, which is called gram molar volume. Now we are calling 22.7 liters when you are taking at 1 bar pressure instead of 1 atm 1 bar pressure. And if you are taking 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar pressure, the volume is going to be 24.7, and that is SATP conditions, standard ambient temperature and pressure conditions. Graham's law of diffusion. The rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its density. Dalton's law of partial pressures. The total pressure exerted by a mixture of chemically non-reacting gases at given temperature and volume is equal to the sum of the partial pressures of the component gases. Dalton's law. Capital P or P total is equal to P1 plus P2. Graham's law is R is proportional to 1 by root D or 1 by root M. R1 by R2 is equal to under root of D2 by D1. That's for Graham's law. RMS velocity, the square root of mean of squares of velocities of the molecules present in the gas is called root mean square velocity, under root of 3 RT by M or 3P by M or 3P by D. Average velocity, the average of the velocities of all molecules present in the gas is average velocity, C bar. Most probable velocity, the velocity possessed by the maximum number of molecules present in the gas is called most probable velocity. Cp is to C bar is to C is equal to 1 is to 1.128 is to 1.224. This is asked in JEE mains once. Cp is to C bar is to C, 1 is to 1.128 is to 1.224. Stoichiometry, the mass relations among the reactants and products in a chemical reaction is called stoichiometry. Mole, the amount of substance containing Avogadro number of elementary chemical units is called a mole. Avogadro number is 6.023 10 to the power of 23. Empirical formula, the simplest formula showing the relative number of atoms of different elements present in the molecule is called empirical formula. Like CH2O for glucose, CH2O for acetic acid, for ethane C2H6 empirical formula CH3. Redox reaction, a chemical reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place is called redox reaction. Zinc plus copper plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus copper. Catenation, the phenomena of linkage among the atoms of the same element is called catenation to form long chains and rings. The most catenating element is carbon, highest catenation capacity. Allotropy, the property of an element to exist in two or more physical forms having same chemical properties but different physical properties is called allotropy. Carbon, diamond, graphite, sulfur, orthorhombic, monoclinic, etc. Unit cell, the simplest part of a crystal lattice which defines the structure of the lattice is known as unit cell. It is three-dimensionally arranged. Boltzmann constant K, the universal gas constant per molecule is called Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant is given by small k, K is equal to R by N. Here the values are given, you can check. Planck's constant 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 27 x second. Avogadro's number 6.023 10 to the power of 23 per mole. Gas constant 0.0821 liter atma per mole per Kelvin. Boltzmann constant 1.38 10 to the power of minus 16 egg per molecule per Kelvin. Rydberg constant 1,09,677.8 per centimeter. Average velocity is equal to 0.9213 into RMS velocity. Most probable velocity is equal to 0.8166 into RMS velocity. Kinetic energy of the gas 3 by 2 nRT. Kinetic energy does not depend on the nature of the gas, it depends only on the temperature. Permutate, sodium aluminum orthosilicate is permutate, Na2Al2 Si2O8 XH2O. It is used in the removal of hardness of water. Colemanite, Ca2B6O11 5H2O. Calgon, sodium hexametaphosphate, NaPO3 taken 6. You can say sodium polymetaphosphate also. It is also used in removal of hardness of water. Calgon, calcium gone. DO, the amount of oxygen present in water is called a dissolved oxygen. COD, chemical oxygen demand. The amount of oxygen required to oxidize organic substances present in polluted water is called chemical oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand. The amount of oxygen used by the suitable microorganisms present in water during 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius is called biochemical oxygen demand. We'll go for this best way little later. Rock salt is sodium chloride. Caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. Borax Na2B4O7 10H2O. It's also called Tinkal in India. Caustic potash is KOH. Washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O. Soda or soda ash Na2CO3. black ash Na2CO3 CaS, salt cake Na2SO4, brine sodium chloride solution, baking soda NaHCO3, carnallite KCl MgCl2 6H2O, Epsom salt MgSO4 7H2O, asbestos CaMg3 SiO3 taken 4, dolomite calcium carbonate magnesium carbonate, Grignard reagent RMGX, gypsum calcium sulfate 2H2O, dead burnt gypsum CaSO4, plaster of Paris CaSO4 half H2O. Limestone is CaCO3, lime is CaO, bauxite Al2O3 2H2O, cryolite Na3AlF6, diamond graphite will be having only carbon formula carbon, quartz is SiO2, dry ice is solid CO2, producer gas is CO plus N2, water gas is CO plus H2, carborundum is silicon carbide SiC, soda lime is NaOH chloroform is CHCl3, common alum is potassium aluminum sulfate K2SO4 Al2SO4 taken thrice 24 water. Bayer's reagent is cold alkaline KMnO4 using for the separation or use identification of alkenes from alkanes or alkynes from alkanes, unsaturated compounds you can say. Hyperol is urea and hydrogen peroxide. Perhydrol is 30% or 100 volume strength hydrogen peroxide. Nitroleum is CaCN2 and carbon mixture. Bleaching powder is CaOCl2. And here is a quote for you: the best way to get rid of a problem is to solve it. Given by Mr. Narsingh Reddy, my brother, my friend, a philosopher for me. He says very simply, if you want to be away from a problem, just solve it. The best way to get rid of a problem is to solve it. Thank you.